What if I told you Microsoft has already hidden several new Windows 11 features inside the latest 26H5 builds, but most users can't access them yet? Today I'll show you how to unlock these hidden features, including the redesigned Start menu, File Explorer improvement, and AI control that Microsoft is currently testing. So let's open this ViVeTools. This is a very important tool. You need to download this in order to activate those features. To access these hidden features, we will use a free utility called ViVeTool. ViVeTool allow user to enable experimental Windows features that Microsoft hasn't fully released yet. First, download this file and extract it in a drive. I have created in C drive hidden features, a folder called, and we will extract it over there. This tool has been widely used by Windows enthusiasts and is one of the easiest way to unlock hidden Windows features. Once you extract the files, make sure you save the path and copy the path exactly as you have created the folder in C drive. In my case, I have created a folder in C drive as a hidden features. So let's open the command prompt, right click it and open as a run as an administrator. Once you open the command prompt, you will see the screen like this. So you need to change the path of the C drive where you have created the hidden features folder, and you kept the files, the ViVeTool files over there which you have extracted it. Now this command enable the new start menu experience, update file explorer dialogs, AI component management options. You can see here the command I have already pasted in the notepad. You need to just copy this command and paste it in the command prompt. It will execute the hidden features and enable it successfully. After entering the command, you should receive the confirmation message indicating that these features configuration has been applied successfully. So all the commands I'll be giving you in the descriptions. You just need to copy and paste it as it is I've shown here. Once all the commands are completed, you need to restart your computer. After restarting, the first major change you will notice is the redesigned start menu. Go to personalize, click the start menu. Microsoft is giving user much more control over how the start menu works. You can now customize sections individually. For example, hide the pinned app sections, hide the recent sections, hide the all app sections. You can also choose how information is displayed. Another useful addition is start menu sizing. You can now select automatic, smart, large, is up to you. This gives user greater flexibility depending on screen size and personal preference. Microsoft also added an option to hide your profile pictures and account information from the start menu, which can be useful for privacy or screen recording purpose. Overall, this is one of the biggest start menu customization update we have seen in Windows 11. So what's your thought in this? Would you like to consider this start menu, or you prefer the old version? Do let me know in the comment section. Even the File Explorer improvement, the next improvement focus on File Explorer. If you used Windows 11 in dark mode, you may have noticed occasionally white flashes when opening Save As or Open File dialog. Microsoft appear to have fixed this issue now. When opening or saving file in supported application, those dialogs load much more smoothly without sudden flash of bright white background. It is a small change, but it makes the overall experience feel more polished and professional. This improvement is especially noticeable for users who spend a lot of time working in dark mode. There is another option, the screen tint, which is being improved in this build. Now the screen tint give you an options where you can smooth your eye. If you're working at late night, you can experience some eye strength. So this feature is really give you a smooth in your eyes while working late night. You can adjust the colors as per you need. New AI component control. Microsoft is also expanding AI management option inside Windows 11. These are all areas allow user to view installed AI models and related component. Most important, Microsoft is testing the ability to uninstall AI component directly from settings. As Windows continue integrated more AI features, having better control over what remain installed on your system is a welcome addition. This gives user more flexibility and helps reduce unnecessary background components. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows 11 update tips, tricks, and hidden features guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.